Hey there, I'm Jayo from SCIMATICS. Have you ever been confused by large number? Or do you feel frustrated when you get stuck in number reading? Don't worry. In today's video, we can learn about how our number system works and the place value. Also, if you are a mom who are looking for an easy way to help your child with place value, here is the right place for you. The number system that we use in math is called base 10. But we have other number system as well, like base 2, base 8, base 16. In the base 10 number system, we use 10 different symbols to represent amounts. And they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Don't forget the 0 also one of our digits. Let's see how our number system represents amounts using these 10 digits. Let's think as if we are going to a container of pencils. For that, we need to use number place. We have different sizes of storage cabinets, 10 times bigger than the previous one. Also, each cabinet has 9 shelves. First cabinet, each shelf large enough to hold 1 pencil. The second one, 10 times bigger than the first one. The shelf large enough to hold 10 bundle of pencil. Third cabinet, 10 times bigger than the second one, which can hold 100 bundle of pencil in each shelf. As we count, we will put pencil by pencil into the shelf. Then the machine shows how many pencils we have put in. At the beginning, we start with empty cabinets. Also, you can see the digit 0 on the screen because 0 means none. But then, as we put pencil into the shelves, the machine starts to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, our first cupboard already filled. We can only put 9 pencils to the first cupboard because the highest digit we have is a 9. But there are a lot more pencils left to count. What we will do? If we take 1 more pencil, we will have 10 pencils. We have a cabinet which is 10 times bigger than the previous one. So, let's combine those 10 pencils as a bundle and put this bundle of 10 pencils into our next cabinet. Now, how many pencils do we have? 10. But how many bundles of 10 pencils do we have? Just 1. Our second cupboard we use to count 10 pencils at a time. For example, if we put only 1 bundle of pencil into the shelf, then we can see the digit 1 on the screen. If we put 2 bundle of pencil into the shelf, then we can see the digit 2 on the screen. And if we put 3 bundle of pencil into the shelf, then we can see the digit 3 on the screen. Do you see what's happening? We can refer these cupboards as the number place. Our first number place, we count 1 pencil at a time. So, we can name this number place as a ones place. And our new cabinet is being used to put bundle of 10. Also, it allows us to store 9 bundle of pencil. Since the new number place is for counting group of 10, we can name it the tens place. And you need to bear in your mind is that we are not going to use the new number place instead of the old one. We are going to use it alongside of the old one. So we have one number place for counting by ones and another number place for counting by tens. Using these 2 cupboards, 2 number place, let's see how we count. For example, if we have 30 pencils, then there will be a 3 group of 10 pencils in the tens place. And 3 will be displayed on the screen. but there will be displayed 0 on the ones place because there are no individual pencils left over. If we have 53 pencils, then there will be a 5 on the tens place and 3 on the ones place. In fact, using our 10 digits and these two number places, we can only count all the way from 0 up to 99. To make sure you got the pattern, put the comments below. How would the cupboard feel if we have 74 pencils? At 99, both of our cupboards are maxed out the highest digits and we won't be able to store any higher. So it's time to use another cupboard, another number place. If we already have 99 pencils and then take one more pencil, we will have exactly 100 pencils. 100 is 10 times bigger than 10. So now we can make a new bundle from those 100 pencils. We can use this new cupboard, new number place, to count how many bundle of 100 we have stored. As we have 9 shelves, we can reuse 9 bundle of 100 to store. It's called the hundreds place because we store bundle of 100. I think that you are starting to see how our base 10 number system works. It uses different number places to represent different size group, and the digits in those number places tell us how many of each group we have. The digit in the ones place tell us how many ones we have. The digit in the tens place tell us how many group of 10 we have. The digit in the hundreds place tell us how many group of 100 we have. Okay, let's see an example. As you can see, the digit in the ones place is 2. It means there are 2 individual pencils. The digit in the tens place is 4. It means there are 4 groups of 10. 10 times 4, 40 pencils. The digit in the 100 place is 6. It means there are 6 groups of 100. 100 times 6, 600 pencils there. Have you noticed that? Each time we got new number place to count larger group, we place it to the left of previous number place. Each new number place represents groups that are exactly 10 times bigger than the previous number place. That's important because the number places always arrange in the exact same order. Tens place 10 times bigger than 1. 100 place 10 times bigger than 10. This really helps us to see the pattern for the bigger number places. Now you know what is our next number place. Exactly. 10 times bigger than 100. It's 1000. That's why we called it thousandth place. And next number place, 10 times bigger than 1000, it's the 10,000 place. And next number place, 10 times bigger than 10,000, it's the 100,000th place. Keep going like that. Next is the millions place, then 10 millions, then 100 millions, then billions, and so on. At a glance, it's a little bit confused to recognize which number place is which. To make it easier, we use a comma as a separator every 3 number place. For example, what is the number place of the digit 1? Hard to find, right? We use comma as a separator every 3 number places from the ones place. Now we can easily recognize which number place belongs to 1. Here this is ones, thousands, and millions. Digit 1 is in the hundreds place. When you see our example, there is 2 4s in different number places. First 4 is in the 100 millions place and second 4 is in 10,000 place. Even though 4 is the same digit, they stand for different amounts depending on the place that it occupies. Seeing all these number places together helps you to understand what we mean by place value. As we see earlier, the number place that the digit is in determines its value. If the digit 8 is in the ones place, it just means 8. But if 8 is in the tens place, then it means 80. And if 8 is in the hundreds place, it means 800. 8 in the 100,000s place, 800,000. And 8 in the billions place, it means 8 billion. Now you know how a digits place affect its value. Most of the time, number places are invisible, but the underlying pattern is always the same. Because of the number places are invisible, in certain cases, you will have to use zeros to make it clear what number you are talking about. For instance, if you want to represent 500, but you make the number places invisible, then it looks like just 5. To make sure you mean 500, you need a 5 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place and ones place. Now 5 is in the hundreds place and it is 500. When we do this, it's called writing numbers in expanded form. Let's try 4632 in expanded form. First, separate the number places using comma. 2 in the ones place, 3 in the tens place, 6 in the hundred place and 4 in the 1000 place. Since the 2 in the ones place, it represents just 2. 3 in the tens place, it represents 30. 6 in the hundred place, it represents 600. And 4 is in the 1000 place and it represents 4000. So 4632 in expanded form is in the combination of those amounts. Let's try writing another number in expanded form. 9 because 9 in the ones place plus 20 because 2 in the tens place plus 300 because 3 in the hundreds place plus 6000 because 6 in the 1000s place plus 70,000 because 7 in the 10,000s place. So the expanded form is 9 plus 20 plus 300 plus 6,000 plus 70,000. Let's check if you understand the base 10 number system. Here is the question. Write this number in expanded form. Give this question a try and leave your answer in the comments below. Now it's time to say goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you on our next video.